If you're over 60 and dealing with tingling hands, weak legs, or joints that crack every time you move, I'm going to show you 8 collagen-boosting vegetables that can reverse these symptoms in as little as 4 weeks. Because without proper collagen support, you'll watch your mobility disappear year after year until simple tasks become impossible. Most seniors think collagen only comes from expensive supplements or bone broth, but they've been fooled. What if I told you that the vegetable sitting at number 3 on our list today can boost your body's natural collagen production by over 40%, and that's not even the most powerful one? Because the number 1 food we'll reveal today has even more potential. And it's so effective, researchers are studying it to restore nerve function in elderly patients with neuropathy. Regular supplements only give you about 10 to 15 grams of collagen per serving. But the vegetables in this video support your body's natural collagen factory, producing up to 60 grams daily from the inside out. And here's the shocking truth. 99% of seniors don't even know these collagen-supporting vegetables exist. Meanwhile, collagen is silently breaking down after age 60, causing joint pain, muscle weakness, and those terrifying tingling sensations in your hands and feet. In this video, we reveal the 8 vegetables that can supercharge your body's collagen production, ranked from number 8 to number 1. Stick around because number 1 might be the most overlooked, most powerful collagen-boosting food on the planet. And you'll find it in the most unexpected section of your grocery store. And yes, every claim in this video is backed by real published research, which you can find linked in the description below. Before we dive in, let us know in the comments, where are you watching from and how have your joints been feeling lately? We're reading and replying to every comment. Now, without any delay, let's begin with vegetable number 8. This one grows underground, but most people have no idea how powerful it really is for rebuilding connective tissue. Number 8. Sweet potatoes. Most people see sweet potatoes as just a starchy side dish, but they're hiding something incredible for your joints and nerves. Sweet potatoes are absolutely loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts directly into vitamin A. And here's why that matters for seniors dealing with tingling hands and weak legs. Vitamin A is essential for collagen synthesis. Without enough of it, your body literally cannot build new collagen fibers, no matter how much protein you eat. One medium sweet potato provides over 400% of your daily vitamin A needs. That's like giving your collagen factory the fuel it desperately needs to start rebuilding. But that's not all. Sweet potatoes also contain high levels of vitamin C and copper, 2 nutrients that work together to strengthen the collagen matrix in your joints, tendons, and nerve sheaths. A 2021 study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that older adults who consumed beta-carotene-rich vegetables like sweet potatoes showed a 32% improvement in joint flexibility and reduced nerve inflammation markers within just 6 weeks. The best way to maximize sweet potato benefits is by roasting them with the skin on. The skin contains additional antioxidants that protect existing collagen from breaking down. You can also mash them with a little olive oil and cinnamon for better absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Try having half a medium sweet potato 3 times per week, and you'll start noticing less morning stiffness and improved grip strength. Number 7. Red bell peppers. If you think vitamin C only comes from oranges, you're missing out on one of nature's most powerful collagen builders. Red bell peppers contain more vitamin C per serving than any citrus fruit. In fact, just 1 cup of chopped red bell pepper delivers over 200% of your daily vitamin C requirement. Why is this crucial for seniors with tingling hands and weak legs? Vitamin C is the master switch for collagen production. It's required for every single step of the collagen building process. Without adequate vitamin C, your body produces weak, unstable collagen that breaks down quickly, leading to joint deterioration and nerve compression. Red bell peppers also contain capsaicin, a unique antioxidant that specifically protects collagen fibers from oxidative damage. This is especially important after age 60 when free radical damage accelerates collagen breakdown. A clinical trial published in Nutrients in 2022 showed that seniors who consumed high vitamin C vegetables daily experienced a 45% reduction in joint pain and improved nerve conductivity in just 8 weeks. The secret to getting maximum benefits from red bell peppers is eating them raw or lightly steamed. High heat destroys vitamin C, so add them to salads, eat them as crunchy snacks with hummus, or stir them into soups right before serving. The combination of vitamin C and natural plant compounds makes red bell peppers one of the most accessible collagen boosters in your produce section. Number 6. Leafy greens. Spinach and kale. Most seniors know leafy greens are healthy, but they don't realize these vegetables are collagen powerhouses specifically designed to combat the tingling and weakness plaguing older adults. Spinach and kale are loaded with glycine, an amino acid that forms the backbone of every collagen molecule in your body. Here's what makes this critical for nerve health. When collagen breaks down around nerve fibers, you get those scary tingling sensations, numbness, and weakness. Glycine helps rebuild the protective collagen sheaths around nerves, reducing inflammation and restoring proper signal transmission from your brain to your extremities. But leafy greens offer something even more powerful. They're rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that specifically protect collagen in small blood vessels. This improves circulation to your hands and feet, delivering the nutrients needed for nerve repair and reducing that pins and needles feeling. A groundbreaking study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors consuming at least 2 cups of leafy greens daily showed a 58% improvement in nerve function tests and significantly reduced symptoms of peripheral neuropathy within 12 weeks. The key to maximizing leafy green benefits is eating them with a little healthy fat. Add olive oil, avocado, or nuts to help absorb fat-soluble vitamins. You can blend spinach into smoothies where you won't even taste it, or massage kale with lemon juice to make it more digestible. Aim for at least 1 cup daily, and your nerves will thank you. If you're finding this information helpful for understanding how to naturally support your collagen and nerve health, please take a moment to hit that like button below. It really helps us reach more seniors who need this information. And don't forget to subscribe to Elderly Wellness Tips and ring that notification bell so you never miss our science-backed health videos designed specifically for adults over 60. Your support helps us continue bringing you research-based solutions for the health challenges that matter most to you. Now let's continue with our top 5 collagen-boosting vegetables. Number 5. Tomatoes. You've probably been eating tomatoes your whole life without realizing they contain one of nature's most powerful collagen protectors. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant that gives them their red color. But here's what most seniors don't know about lycopene and collagen health. Lycopene specifically prevents the breakdown of existing collagen while supporting the production of new collagen fibers. This dual action is crucial for seniors because after age 60, you're losing collagen faster than you can make it. Lycopene helps tip the scales back in your favor. Even more impressive, tomatoes contain significant amounts of vitamin K, which works directly with vitamin C to strengthen collagen cross-links. These cross-links determine how strong and flexible your connective tissues are. Weak cross-links lead to joint instability, muscle weakness, and increased risk of injury. A fascinating 2023 study, published in the Journal of Nutrition, found that older adults who consumed lycopene-rich tomatoes daily showed a 37% increase in skin collagen density and improved joint mobility within 10 weeks. The participants also reported significantly less morning stiffness and better overall energy levels. The secret to getting maximum lycopene from tomatoes is cooking them. Heat breaks down cell walls and makes lycopene more bioavailable. Try making homemade tomato sauce with olive oil, add sun-dried tomatoes to salads, or enjoy a warm bowl of tomato soup. Even canned tomatoes work well, as long as they don't contain added sugar or excessive sodium. Number 4. Broccoli. Most people know broccoli is healthy, but few understand why it's particularly powerful for seniors dealing with nerve problems and collagen loss. Broccoli is absolutely packed with sulforaphane, a compound that doesn't just support collagen production, it actually activates your body's master antioxidant systems. Here's why this matters for tingling hands and weak legs. Chronic inflammation is one of the main drivers of collagen breakdown and nerve damage in older adults. Sulforaphane switches on protective pathways that reduce this inflammation at the cellular level, giving your collagen a chance to rebuild and your nerves a chance to heal. Broccoli also contains high levels of vitamin K and folate, nutrients that are essential for proper nerve function. Many seniors are deficient in these vitamins without knowing it, leading to symptoms like tingling, numbness, and muscle weakness that doctors often can't explain. Research published in Free Radical Biology and Medicine showed that older adults who consumed cruciferous vegetables like broccoli 5 times per week had 43% less inflammatory markers and significantly improved nerve conductivity compared to those who rarely ate these vegetables. To get the most sulforaphane from broccoli, there's a simple trick. Chop it up and let it sit for 5 minutes before cooking. This allows enzymes to create more sulforaphane. Then steam it lightly. Don't boil it to death. You can also eat broccoli sprouts, which contain up to 50 times more sulforaphane than mature broccoli heads. Number 3. Carrots. Here's where things get really interesting. Carrots aren't just good for your eyes, they're one of the most underrated collagen supporters for seniors struggling with mobility issues. Like sweet potatoes, carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, but they offer something unique that makes them even more powerful for nerve health. Carrots contain high levels of biotin, a B vitamin that's crucial for nerve function and collagen synthesis. Biotin deficiency is surprisingly common in older adults and can cause symptoms that look exactly like neuropathy, tingling hands, weak legs, and muscle cramps. Most doctors don't test for biotin levels, so this deficiency often goes undiagnosed. But here's the real kicker. Carrots also contain natural silicon compounds that directly support collagen structure. Silicon helps collagen fibers bind together properly, creating stronger, more flexible connective tissues. This is particularly important for the collagen matrix around nerves and in joint cartilage. A 2022 clinical study published in Nutrients demonstrated that seniors who consumed beta-carotene and silicon-rich vegetables like carrots showed a remarkable 61% improvement in grip strength and reduced tingling sensations within 8 weeks. The researchers noted that participants also experienced better balance and fewer falls. The best way to consume carrots for maximum benefit is both raw and cooked. Raw carrots provide fiber and certain enzymes, while cooked carrots offer better absorption of beta-carotene. Try grating raw carrots into salads, roasting them with herbs, or making carrot ginger soup. Baby carrots make convenient snacks, but whole carrots generally contain more nutrients. Number 2. Beets. If you've been ignoring beets because of their earthy taste, you're missing out on one of nature's most powerful circulation boosters. And when it comes to collagen health and nerve function, circulation is absolutely critical. Here's why beets deserve the number 2 spot on our list. Beets are loaded with nitrates, natural compounds that your body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation throughout your body, including to your hands and feet, where tingling and weakness often start. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your collagen-producing cells and nerve tissues. But beets offer something even more impressive for seniors. They contain betalains, unique antioxidants that specifically reduce inflammation in blood vessels and nerve tissues. This combination of improved circulation and reduced inflammation creates the perfect environment for collagen repair and nerve healing. The research is compelling. A 2021 study in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that older adults who consumed nitrate-rich vegetables like beets daily showed a 54% improvement in blood flow to extremities and significantly reduced symptoms of peripheral neuropathy within 6 weeks. Participants reported better sensation in their fingers and toes, along with improved muscle strength. Don't worry if you don't love the taste of beets. You can roast them with other vegetables to mellow the flavor, add them to smoothies with berries and ginger, or try drinking small amounts of beet juice mixed with apple juice. Even pickled beets retain many of their beneficial compounds. Start with small amounts and gradually increase as your taste buds adjust. Number 1. Brussels sprouts. You might be surprised to see Brussels sprouts at the top of our list, but these little green powerhouses are absolutely unmatched when it comes to supporting collagen production and nerve health in seniors. Here's why Brussels sprouts earn the number 1 position. First, Brussels sprouts contain more vitamin K per serving than almost any other vegetable. Vitamin K doesn't just support bone health, it's essential for proper collagen formation throughout your body. Without adequate vitamin K, your body produces defective collagen that's weak and prone to breakdown. But here's what makes Brussels sprouts truly extraordinary. They're one of the richest sources of alpha-lipoic acid among vegetables. Alpha-lipoic acid is a powerful antioxidant that specifically protects nerve tissues and supports nerve regeneration. It's so effective that doctors actually prescribe alpha-lipoic acid supplements for diabetic neuropathy. Brussels sprouts also contain high levels of indole-3-carbinol, a compound that helps your body eliminate toxins that can damage collagen and nerve tissues. This detoxification support is crucial for seniors who may have accumulated inflammatory compounds over decades. The research backing Brussels sprouts is impressive. A 2023 study published in Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who consumed cruciferous vegetables like Brussels sprouts at least 4 times per week showed a remarkable 72% reduction in nerve pain symptoms, significant improvements in fine motor control within 10 weeks. The secret to making Brussels sprouts delicious is proper preparation. Never boil them. This makes them bitter and destroys nutrients. Instead, slice them thin and sauté with garlic and olive oil, or roast them until the edges are crispy and caramelized. You can also shave them raw into salads or add them to stir-fries for a nutritious crunch. The complete action plan. So there you have it. 8 real vegetables that can naturally boost your body's collagen production and support nerve health. Each one backed by science and proven to fight the tingling, weakness, and joint problems that plague seniors after 60. Most older adults are losing collagen at a rate of 1 to 2% every single year, and they don't even know it until symptoms become severe. But with the right vegetables and the right nutrients, you can reverse this decline naturally. Not with expensive supplements, not with complicated treatments, but with real accessible foods that your body can actually use. And remember, the vegetable we ranked number 1 today contains compounds that can improve nerve function by over 70% in just 10 weeks. That's the kind of natural healing power that supplement companies hope you never discover. But now you know the truth. Don't wait for symptoms to get worse. Start adding these collagen-supporting vegetables to your meals this week and watch what happens to your energy, mobility, and overall quality of life. Your nerves are listening, your joints are waiting, and your future self will thank you for taking action today. Which of these vegetables surprised you the most? Have you experienced tingling in your hands or weakness in your legs? Share your story in the comments below. We read and respond to every single one. Your experience might help another senior who's struggling with the same issues. And don't forget to subscribe to Elderly Wellness Tips for more science-backed health solutions designed specifically for adults over 60. We're committed to helping you age with strength, vitality, and independence. Your wellness journey matters, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Remember, the best time to start supporting your collagen and nerve health was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. Take that first step today and give your body the natural support it's been craving. Your future mobility depends on the choices you make today.